Scuba diving isn't just a hobby. It's a passion for me to understand and appreciate the life underneath. Every time I get an opportunity to take some time off work, I make sure I go scuba diving. Hi, I'm Arghadeep Chakraborty. I'm the Process Excellence Manager at Carelon Global Solutions India. And my love for scuba diving comes from the time since I've started watching BBC's Blue Planet series. The underwater world is full of wonders. I'm a SSI dive master in training and a level 4 diver. I've been a part of multiple ocean cleanups across the last few years in Nethrani and in Havelock, clearing about close to 100 kilos of plastic waste and fishing gear, which would have been extremely detrimental for the marine life. And my passion for scuba diving always pushes me to do more towards conserving the life underwater. My favorite kind of dives are night and limited visibility dives. I've done 4 night dives so far, and I've seen a bunch of squid and octopi underwater. My favorite moment in diving was when I witnessed the birth of a squid underwater, and it was absolutely magical. I've also been shortlisted for the coral restoration program with Dakshin Seas. And a very, very humble brag about me, I can kit up blindfolded in less than 30 seconds. Working with Carelon Global Solutions gives me the balance and the flexibility to pursue my passion for scuba diving, giving me the ability to balance my professional responsibilities with my passion for the underwater world. One of the dive spots that I cannot wait to explore is in Dahab in Egypt, which has a lot of sharks, octopi, seahorses, squids, you name it. And it's also one of the more adventurous dive sites in the world. I cannot wait to go cave diving and go Arctic diving. There's a lot of adventures that lie ahead of me, and I can't wait to explore them.